From every corner of the earth we came, different stories, different family names. Some crossed oceans, some crossed plains, all chasing hope beneath southern rain.
Different languages around the table, different journeys, strong and able. Yet side by side we've learned to stand, calling Australia home at last.
We didn't leave ourselves behind, we found a bigger we. Many paths that led us here, one shared identity. We're one Australia, under one wide sky.
Many hearts, one future,
side by side. A fair go given,
not demanded loud.
Rights give us our freedom,
responsibility makes us proud.
We're one Australia,
strong because we're free,
living out the values
that belong to you and me.
Somewhere along the road we changed, every difference became a game. Winning mattered more than truth, listening slowly slipped from view.
The old Greeks knew there were two ways, one seeks victory every day, heuristic fights to win the crowd, dialectic searches truth out loud.
When we stop to truly hear,
understanding conquers fear.
Not every battle needs a side,
some are solved when truth decides.
We're one Australia,
under one wide sky.
Many hearts, one future,
side by side. A fair go given, not demanded loud.
Rights give us our freedom,
responsibility makes us proud.
Freedom with responsibility, respect for every soul, equality of opportunity, that's always been the goal.
The rule of law protects us all, democracy gives voice,
mutual respect and dignity
are values that we choose.
Not because we're all the same,
not because we all agree,
but because we share the promise
of what Australia means.
Christian hope, Western freedom,
ancient wisdom, modern dreams. Generation after generation, passing on what we've received.
We're one Australia, many roots, one tree,
many songs together,
one great harmony.
A fair goal for your neighbor,
a hand when times are tough.
Freedom walks with duty,
and together that's enough.
Let's argue for the truth, not simply to prevail.
Leave every conversation with understanding in ourselves.
We're one Australia, under 7 stars.
The values that unite us
will always take us far.
Many stories,
one nation,
many voices,
one song,
many journeys,
one Australia.